How to fix Victoria 3 crashing on Steam. So first you want to open up your Steam and then go to your library, and then you want to right click on the game and go to properties and go to installed files and click verify integrity of game files, and then wait for this process to finish checking and verifying your files. Once it's done, you want to click on the browse button, right click on the game's exe file, go to properties, compatibility tab, and make sure both of these options are checked for disable full screen optimization and run this program as admin. Click on apply and OK. Now you can close this and simply press the play button again to see if that solves the issue. Now if the issue still persists, you will need to update your GPU driver. So if you have a NVIDIA GPU, you will need to install the NVIDIA app, and then you want to go to drivers section and click on this arrow to check for the latest updates. Now you want to simply click on download and install to get the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. Once it's installed, you will need to restart your system, and then simply you'll need to open up Steam again and launch or play the game, and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.